In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox not loading assets, but before that, please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, so let's start. First thing you're going to do is make sure you've got your browser window opened and come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots. Come onto settings, type DNS in the search box at the top, click onto one that says security, scroll down and go to the advanced section, select this button where it says with custom, bring up a drop down box and then change this to Google Public DNS, close this window off and come down to your search box in the bottom left hand corner, type network connections. Click View Network Connections. You're going to see some different connections, but just right-click the one that has a green signal. Click onto Properties. Come down and click onto the one that says Internet Protocol version 6. Once it's highlighted, just come down and click onto Properties. Change the DNS to match the Google Public DNS, and this should resolve the problem. Change Obtain DNS server automatically to the one which says use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, just type in 8888. For the alternative, put in 8844. Once done, just click OK. Come out of this and restart your computer. Hopefully, this resolved the problem. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!